Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will discuss about doctor's office management system. The main functionalities we were asked to perform was we will need to build a login system with email. Its evaluation question is that we need to build a system that takes email and we need to reset the password using email. And we were asked to perform different actions like it was a simple project. We need to perform basic CRUD operations, but there was difficulty to integrate our doctor's Google Calendar. We need to synchronize it when we make an appointment. When the secretary make an appointment, it should visible on the doctor's calendar, and when he edit or delete the appointment, it should edit or delete it from the calendar. The main tasks were we need to build a login system, we need to build a secretary crowd operation or secretary management system in which doctors can add, edit, or view the secretary's information. We need to build a doctor management system in which doctor can add medicines, or he can view his calendar, or he can uh, block specific hours in which secretary cannot make an appointment. So these were the restriction we were asked to perform on our system, that secretaries cannot manage patient appointment history, or he cannot maintain patient medical history medicines, or they cannot make appointment during block hours. So you need to first know that what is Google Calendar, and you need to uh, see some videos to generate its API that should integrated in our project. As I made this project with my own API, I will change later. Okay, so this is your project. I will send you a zip file. You need to extract this zip file and open it in Visual Studio Code. And into the terminal, you need to give a command. The command would be, first you need to give a command to install all the requirements by giving command pip install requirement.txt. The command is like this: pip install manage r requirements.txt. After entering this command, your system will be automatically installing all the required modules, and after that install you need to just give commands like python manage.py make migrations. First you need to give this command. After this command you need to give python manage.py migrate. The basic concept of these commands are to migrate database tables which we are used in our project. So the third and important command is python manage.py run server. By integrating this command or by running this command, our system will compile our whole project. If there was any error, it should display it here. Otherwise, it will give us a link. You need to copy this link and paste it in your browser. Okay, so first of all we need to know where we can add doctors to. So pasting this URL into your browser, you need to write admin and then slash. Okay, it will take you to this page in which you need to log in as admin. The username would be admin and password would also be an admin. Okay, you need to log in, and then on login you need to go user section, and here are the users. These are the doctors which are we are able to create doctors from admin side. You need to give username, you need to give password, and you need to give password confirmation. Okay, the credentials are saved into readme file. In this file I have written all the commands and credentials like the admin credentials, the doctor credentials, and the secretary credentials. Okay, so we need to perform the doctor's task. Okay, so first of all, the doctor's task was to he can reset his password using his email. So here you can click on forgot password and you need to give it your own password. Then clicking on reset my password, it will send a link on your doctor's email. The email would be here. You can view your own Gmail, opening it. Wait to open for our Gmail, and here we will be able to have a link by which we can change our password. Okay, please wait for. So here is that particular email which we are discussing about. You need to click on this link, and here you can reset your password. Okay, the functionality is fulfilled here. Then you need to give credentials like your doctor email and its password, then login. After login, you will redirect to doctor dashboard in which he can see his appointments. He can see all his appointments. He can view his own Google Calendar. Okay, and he can perform some tasks in which, like, he can add secretaries. For now, we will not add any other secretary. He can edit them and delete them. He can add medicines. He can edit them, view them, and delete them. Okay, there were not given any tables regarding database tables, so we mm, created them on our own. Okay, here are the appointments. Doctor can view all the appointments. He can see the medical or examination history of that patient. He can print that report. Okay, by clicking on print button, then he can also add the that patient examination history too. Okay, so you can fill this form and his blood pressure rate, his heart rate, and prescribed medicine which doctor suggested for that patient. Okay, this was our doctor panel. Doctor can also export his all the appointments. Okay, exporting the appointments, it will download a CSV file or Excel file. You can see them offline too. Okay, if you want to change this picture, you will be able to change this picture in our code. Now we need to log out this doctor and we need to sign in the secretary. So here are the credentials for secretary. These are email and password. By clicking login in, this will be the dashboard of the secretary. The main tasks were to that secretary can add patients, so we need to add the patient first. uh, Here we need to add patient Hira, and his last name would be Nasir, inshallah. And into date of birth, we can add any year from here. So we need to add 25 August 2000, but we need to add 25 August. And email, we need to add his email. And on phone, we need to add his phone and address. Clicking on save in patient, the patient would be saved. We can, our secretary can edit them and delete them. And on appointment, he can create new appointment. First of all, he can view all the busy hours of the doctors. These are the busy hours of the doctors. 26 December is the free day for appointment, so we need to make appointment on 26 December. So the patient would be Hira Nasir and doctor would be our own doctor. Appointment date would be 26 December. Start time would be this and end time would be this. Make sure that start time would be greater than end time. Okay, end time greater than start time. So the status would be scheduled and create. Okay, the appointment will be created and it will be also created on our see on our this calendar too. And when doctor can see his own Google Calendar, so uh, this is the appointment which we have created for Hira Nasir on 26 December. Okay, so When we need to create another up- appointment on 26, our system will give an error. So we need to select this patient, select this doctor, and appointment date would be 26. Start time would be now, and end time would be uh, now. Okay, when we click create, it will give us an error. An appointment already exists for this time range, and the appointment will not be fixed on that date, on that particular date. So by this we are able to fulfill our all the basic requirements. Okay, so this is your project, and it is fully functional, and it fulfills all the requirements. Thank you.